Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by planning the media wall layout and necessary circuits. Locate studs spaced 16 inches on center and mark TV mounting height precisely. Plan a dedicated 20 amp circuit using 12 AWG wire for the outlet behind the display. Reserve a low voltage box at least 5 inches deep for AV connections and wall plates. Map cable paths for power, HDMI, and Ethernet to avoid HVAC and plumbing conflicts. Obtain necessary permits and turn off power before cutting or drilling. Cut openings for a recessed power outlet and separate low-voltage plates for HDMI and Ethernet. Use 3/4-inch conduit for HDMI and other expensive cables to allow future replacement. Fish Cat 6 cables and speaker wires through cavities using fish tape and a pull string. Keep power cables separated from signal cables by at least 2 inches to reduce interference. Route HDMI runs under 15 meters if using passive cables, or plan for active or fiber. Terminate Ethernet and speaker wires at the low-voltage plates and test them with a cable tester for continuity and speed. Ground any metal electrical boxes and bond to the house grounding system to meet code. Secure cable bundles with cable ties spaced every 6 inches for neat routing and strain relief. Patch drywall cleanly and install wall plates for each outlet and low-voltage location. Label each cable with room and device function and power up the dedicated circuit for final verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.